I want to show you how we can use some shortcuts to quickly access the PTZ presets for recall. Here we are in my TriCaster, and you can see I've added a second PTZ camera. So input 6 and input 7 both have PTZs connected. And if we click on the gears, you can see both have some presets configured. There are 2 on input 6, and there are 3 presets on input 7. Now I could certainly click the gear to access the settings, but I want to show you 2 ways we can access them quicker from the interface. The first is by putting the camera we want to work with on preview. So you can see that camera 7 is currently on preview. And then on the keyboard, if I press the asterisk key on the keypad, it will open up the property window on the PTZ tab, and you can see that I can select the preset. So now I can just click the button to move the presets to the other shots. And if I wanted to access camera 6, I could put camera 6 on preview. Now when I press the asterisk key, you can see camera 6 comes up with its 2 presets, and then I can change those shots. So that's one way we can do it. The other way is we can put the presets right on the interface inside the multi-view area. So to do this, what we're going to do is I'm going to put input 6 and 7 on the interface twice. So right below, I'm going to put input 6 here, and I'm going to put input 7 here. So now we can see that camera 6 and camera 7 are on the interface in 2 places. Now on one of these, let's say the lower set, I'm going to right click on them again, and there's an option called source presets. And when I turn this on, you'll see that the different camera presets are appearing. Now, the number you'll see depends upon the size of the video window. So if you use a multi-view layout that has a fewer number of windows, so they're all larger, you'll be able to see more presets. But in this case, I can see the first 4. And now just by clicking on these, I can recall the different cameras, and you can see this makes for very quick access right from the user interface. Now these source presets can also be placed on the additional multi-view monitors. So that's a great way, especially if you need to access a lot of presets, that you can set up all the different cameras, all their presets, and have them available just a button click away.